All right. Well, what we in the four-player model, as you can see, there are the mover, bystander, follower, and opposer, and this model is perfect for um, sorry, I'm just opening my notes. It tells us about the patterns that we fall into when we are in dialogue with each other, and it's it's a great model to keep in mind when you are doing group work or you are in a dialogue with people. So the four players are the mover, bystander, opposer, and follower. The mover is the one who sort of is the initiator, um, comes up with new ideas, and it's a very great position to be in if you want to move forward or find solutions. Then there's the opposer who sort of challenges those ideas and actions and provides the different kind of perspectives and yeah. Then there's the bystander who usually reflects on the actions and that they're sort of neutral. They might be good to bridge opposing ideas. Then there's the follower who's sort of supports everyone or sort of follower. They follow ideas. They are good to um, how do you say, sort of support each other or they sort of strengthen other people's actions, and they again also build those sort of bridges or coalitions to keep ideas on the table. All of these four actors or what to say roles are very important um, because they create a sort of balance in a team. And once there are all four are represented, you can be sure that it's a well functioning team, or it's a balanced team or dialogue. What else? Well, we discussed that it's good to sort of keep in mind that all of these are represented when you do group work, and it's also maybe good to keep in mind that you don't fall into a repetitive pattern, or that you can see that there's only opposing going on or only moving going on, and it's good to see that which sort of role each person tends to fall into, and maybe try to sort of sift out of that position and try to, for example, I know that I can be sort of the opposer quite often because I like to play the devil's advocate, and I know that I have to step out of that for everyone's, or for that there actually is the teamwork or the dialogue is good. Sorry.
Cool.
um, what else?
Uh,
Yeah.
okay, there's also just a small point about it. A person can hold many positions in the four-plate models. For example, like an opposer, they can also at the same time be a mover. So they are not restricted to just being one position, but like a person can play different role when they have an idea. That
Fantastic.
is what I see.
Cool. And that was 4 minutes. And maybe just to add that as you say, one person can take on different kind of roles, and usually it's very nice for leaders to be able to be either very flexible themselves or very skilled at seeing which roles are missing in a team and inviting those kind of speech acts. Wonderful, thank you, fantastic.